I'm Shan from UME Academy, and I love playing my students' games. Let's go check one out right now. One of my students made this game in our custom control lesson. Now, they say that it's unbeatable. I'm going to take that challenge, and I'm going to be calm through the whole thing and not freak out. Let's go! Now, I'm trying to get my astronaut up to that spaceship. A lot of robots. Oh, come on. Ooh, ooh. Oh, come on. Oh. Go, 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 go. No. Go. Come on, man. Hey, I'm on their heads. Jump. We got it. I think we got it. No, back, jump. Get off their heads. Jump. Oh, they're stuck on the platform. No. Keep surfing. Calm. We can do it. Oh, come on. Yes. Oh. Okay, I can do it this time. No, I can't. Okay, go. Go. Okay, on the platform. We got it, and... What am I doing? Those spaceships are shooting me. Get out of there. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Next time, maybe I'll be playing your game.